Andhra Pradesh Chandrababu Naidu.
With me is the comeback man here in Andhra Pradesh, a man who was known as the CEO of Andhra Pradesh Incorporated, and now he will celebrate coming back to power, logging back to power after 10 years. Congratulations, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu. One has followed your political career. This must give you a lot of satisfaction to come back to power with a good, convincing victory.
So what I am saying, from the beginning, I am not for power. And at the same time, state has suffered very badly for the last 10 years. Same thing, country suffered. It is our responsibility to put it on right track. Country and also state suffered. One is corruption, another is inefficiency, and also they have used public mandate only for their personal gain.
You said against corruption. Do you think this is a vote against corruption because you have gone on record saying Jagan Mohan Reddy is a corrupt politician?
100% nation has given a verdict against corruption and also positive governance.
Modi for PM, Naidu for CM was a slogan of both the BJP and the TDP, and the people have responded positively. What is going to be your immediate agenda, because you have made a lot of promises during your election campaign?
No, we are having a responsibility today. We are having so many problems. In same Andhra, from foundation, we have to start. In Telangana, we are having a responsibility. They voted us as an opposition. It is our responsibility to protect their right. At national level, country is in doldrums. They have voted one side for BJP and also NDA.
You will be part of the NDA government?
Yes, certainly.
You spoke to Narendra Modi. Apart from congratulating him, what did you have to say to him? Because both of you have scored a resounding victory.
What I am saying, we congratulate each other. That is the beginning. Now there is a lot of agenda before us. One is nation, one is same Andhra and Telangana. We will work together to achieve that.
TDP leaders are saying that you will go after Jagan because you have always said that there are a lot of corruption cases against him. Will there be an attempt to bring him to book?
No, I am not interested in all these things. My interest is very clear. I am fighting against corruption, number one. I made it very clear to the people of this country, great nation, corrupt-free India, we have to promote. That is our agenda now. For the last 10 years, because of Congress, every institution totally destroyed.
Congress has become a zero both in Telangana and Seemandhra. Their gambit to give Telangana hasn't worked well. What is the larger message that you think has come out of this kind of a verdict?
Ultimately, people visualize what is right, what is wrong, and also how we are doing the process. Congress party has done only to gain some political advantage. They have totally understood all the game plan of Congress party. That's why in same Andhra there is no address for Congress. In Telangana they are far behind Telugudesam party and also BJP. That is the lesson that they have given for Congress party. Now every political party has to understand this type of message.
Mr. Naidu, we wish you all the best and congratulations once again. Thank you.